Good morning, students. So, as in the last class, we have studied our chapter number 8 of the value education, Overcome Your Fears. And in this chapter, we have learned that how a person decreases his working capacity by being fearful, and how by the confidence and by becoming powerful he can, and by knowing his potential and abilities, person can overcome all his fear and can challenge all the possibilities of life and can be a successful person. In this chapter we have also seen a very beautiful story about the farmer and the snake. This story was about a person Sonu, who was a poor farmer, and how he lived with his wife and son in a hut made of grass, and one day he was bited by a snake and finally he died. So today in this chapter we are going to complete the exercises and question answer of our chapter number 8, and next we will complete our chapter number 9. I think so your last exams have gone very well. So now you have to prepare for the upcoming exams, and also you have to go through the chapter, you have to read the chapter. I have checked the copies, and yes, you have done very well in the exams. So now today we will complete our exercise of chapter number 9. So first exercise of our chapter number 9 is answer the following question. So the first question: what is one of the most exhilarating time in a person's life? So this answer, my dear students, is given on page number 48. So first answer is given here. So you can see the first answer is given in the first line. First answer start from here. Overcoming a fear is one of the most exhilarating time in a person's life. Overcoming a fear is one of the most exhilarating time in a person's life. So this is your answer number first. Next, answer number 2. Write a few lines about fear. So this answer again is given on same page number 48. It is given in page 48, third para. It is given here, my dear students, and it is given here. You will start from third para, first line. Fear is a bad feeling that you have when you are afraid of something, or when you are in danger, or when you are in some danger, or when something frightens you. It is something that exists in almost every human heart. It is a feeling that comes out from an unknown reason and lasts for a long time, sometime forever, if we do not check it in time. Till here it is your answer number 2. Again I am repeating. Fear is a bad feeling. This is given on page 48, third para, first line, and it will start from here. Fear is a bad feeling that you have when you are afraid of something, or when you are in some danger, or when something frightens you. It is something that exists in almost every human heart. It is a feeling that comes out from an unknown region and lasts for a longer time, sometimes forever, if we do not check in time. This is answer number 2. Okay, my dear students. Next, answer number 3. How did Sonu react when he realized about the snake bite? So this answer is given on page number 50. Page 50, last paragraph. It will start from here. The moment he realized that the fear in him came up, he stood back. Now it will start from here, second line. The moment he realized that the fear in him came up, he thought but now the snake poison must have spread all over my body. This feeling gave him such a shock that he began to roll on the ground and fruit started coming out of his mouth. This is answer number third. I am repeating again. Page 50, last paragraph, second line. The moment he realized the fear in him came up, he thought, now that snake poison have must reached all over my body. The feeling gave him such a shock that he began to roll on the ground and fruit started coming out from his mouth. This is answer number third. Okay. Question number fourth. What is the moral of the story, The Farmer and the Snake? So this answer is given on page 51. In this beta you will write two lines starting from here, page 51. First, the moral of the chapter is, you will write two morals. First you will write this: all snakes are poisonous. You will write first point. This is first point of fourth answer. Fourth answer, first point is, all snakes are poisonous, but the fear of a snake bite may kill a person. Second moral you will write, this is second point you will write: nothing is impossible, challenges all fears and make them realize that you are more powerful than them. This is your answer number fourth. Fourth answer, you have to write 2 points. First point is this: all snakes are not poisonous, but the fear of snake bite may kill a person. This is first point of fourth answer. And second point is, nothing is impossible, challenges all fears and make them realize that you are more powerful than them. This is your second answer of answer number 4. Now next exercise, write yes or no. So the biggest fear is the fear of unknown. Yes, the best figure is fear of unknown. Next, our thinking power is extremely weak. This is no, our thinking power is not extremely weak. Third, if you do not face your fear will steal your joy. Yes, if we do not face our fear will steal our joy. Next, fear makes you lose your sense of reasoning. Yes, fear makes us lose our sense of reasoning. Next, always entertain your fear. No, always do not entertain your fear. Next, think and write about the following statement. Life is a daring venture or nothing. So this lines means you have to write like this. It means life is full of difficulties and problems. You will write like this. It means life is full of difficulties and problems. It is not easy, smooth path. It is not easy, smooth path. So we must work hard and challenge our fear. You will write like this. It means life is full of difficulties, problems. It is not easy path. It's easy, smooth path. So you must work hard and challenge your all fear. Okay. Next, fear is an illusion. Next, second one. Fear is an illusion between you and the possibilities of life. So write what I am saying. The hindrance. You will start from here. Fear is, you will write what I am speaking. Right. Fear is the hindrance. HINDERANCE, hindrance. Fear is the hindrance. HINDERANCE, that stops you from achieving the success in your life in every field by stopping you from moving forward. by stopping you from moving forward. Once again, I am repeating what you have to write. So, fear is the hindrance that stops you from achieving the success in your life in every field by stopping you from moving forward. Okay. Next, third answer. Fear and failure go parallel in life. So write the answer of this. Fear and failure both go side by side. Fear and failure both go side by side in life. Means if we are fearful of any work, means if we are fearful of any work, we will be failure in our life. We will be failure in our life. Okay. Next, fourth, challenges all your fear and make them realize that you are more powerful than them. Fourth answer, challenge all your fears and make them realize that you are more powerful for them. So answer of this is always overcome your fear. Always overcome your fear and never get frightened. Always overcome your fear and never get frightened of anything. Start the work with full strength. Start the work with full strength, honesty, positive thinking, and you will gain success in your every field. Once again, I am repeating this whole answer. Always overcome your fear and never get frightened of anything. Start the work with full strength, honesty, powerful thinking, and you will gain success in every field. So here your chapter number 4 is completed. Chapter number 8 is completed. So you just complete the exercises of this chapter and prepare for your and start to learn this chapter now onward.